Most people think you need a camera to make money online. But today, I'll show you how to earn using AI, without showing your face at all. Many beginners are scared of cameras, don't know where to start, or think AI is too complicated. That's why most give up before they even try. The good news? With a few simple AI tools, you can start making money online today. I'll show you 3 tools and exactly how to use them. Tool 1 is ChatGPT or Jasper. You can generate blogs, ads, or even mini ebooks. For example, create a mini ebook on Make Money Online and sell it on platforms like KDP, Sealer, or Fiverr. Tool 2 is Midjourney or Doll-Z. You can create AI images for ebooks, YouTube thumbnails, or digital prints. Then sell your creations online for extra income. Tool 3 is Pictory or CapCut. Ari, you can turn your blog or text into videos automatically. Upload faceless videos to YouTube and start. If you want more AI money-making strategies, subscribe to A1 Profit Lab and turn on the bell so you never miss a step.